Humming like I need a Grammy. She laced the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry from the sound wave to the
この電車は東北新幹線山木本東京行きです。
penitentiary, nice guy, but my inside is in mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Cool like hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger when a co-sign me. I don't even like me, no, I'm staring in the mirror indifferent. Who is this nigga? He claim me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a prototype, I'm taking it. From the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm ventilating. Too much on my plate, then they taking shit, yeah. New sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing balance. Where I run the game until my shoe is calloused. On a loose gravel, keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm bringing them careless, I want it forever, but I'm with whatever.
This is hot.
Cause these days I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel this all on my face. Bitch, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way.
I mean, you're the one with like the 32 flavors.
It's 8 flavors.
Hey. She made it past the chocolate, or not chocolate, strawberry.
No, scream money, anything. Ain't no telling why I live. Probably so we get away. Wave. Why they so negative? How they envy how I edit it? Live my life just like it's precious. Just give me the mic and light it under lights. I put a knife and pressure, they fabricate it. Yeah, I been as quick to set them straight. Yeah, nigga next to detonate. California on the birth certificate. How we claim it, they ain't seen the wave. How we painted on the level up. The tatted garments, been a starving artist. It's like 09, that was go time. Fuck a close man, that's where my heart is hard. Ain't need a placement. For my family's sake, I've been through some things, make a better way. Why do I put out a place here? Why are they all in my face? Nobody better with the rhetoric. Tupac Shakur with the predicates. West side, you dead right. But I'm hating bitch ass niggas quick to switch, I tell them to behave.
Are you done? Is it all? Is there anything left in the paper? Besides a leaky ice cream? No? Yay, you did it! You completed the challenge.
I just want to thank my mom for teaching me not to be a quitter.
Opposite, yeah. Cause these days I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel this all on my face. Bitch, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way.
Does it count if I touch the string?
Touch whatever you can touch. Although it does say don't touch.
Please do not put your foot on the gate.
Just jump. Such a rebel.
Such a rebel. This pair of huge traditional straw sandals cool. Or
this is how you order. You select what you want on this menu down here. Press the button and then cases. Extra if you want. Alright. Now here's the dinner. We got the ramen set. roasted beef, or pork I mean, seaweed, and egg. Kind of a lot. Finished eating dinner, and this is the result. This place. Good place. Hey, so we just finished eating. I forgot to report this earlier. But this is how you order your ramen. You put your money in down here. The bills go here, the coins go in here. And you choose which one you want. Either the set, the ramen itself, extra noodles, meat, rice, onions, dessert, mushrooms, fun stuff. And you go in there and you customize it some more. Okay.
I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for it. You've heard some things people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air. I've made my mistakes. I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Read it.
It took me 20 minutes to eat. Not as impressive as your 30-minute ice cream.